Hello and welcome to Hobsons Bay Libraries. My name is Julie and today we are going to do a new take on a traditional paper plane. So let's get started. I'm going to use an A3 sheet of paper today, but you can use A4, but I think A3 is just a little bit bigger and more special, so let's try. We're going to fold our paper down the center, crease it all the way down. Then we're going to open it out and we're going to crease it again all the way into the center. See that? All the way down again. Then we're going to crease the other side into the center and go all the way down. Then we're going to open it out and we're going to crease in together. So I'm going to do the first one and then I'll show you. Okay, this is our first crease. Then we're going to do our second one. Yeah. Okay. Next, we're going to crease into that very first groove. Can you see that first groove into there? Yeah. And then we're going to do the other side. Into that first groove. You see that? Good. Then we're going to crease again into the next groove. Can you see that? I'm just going to do it down on my table. Right. See, our wings are starting to take shape. All right, we'll go to our next groove into there. Okay. Right. We are going to now fold it back on itself. Crease it all the way down. And next, we're going to bend our wings down. Okay, that's our first wing. And I'm going to do our second wing. We are almost ready to take flight. Shall we give it a try? Get our wings ready. Let's give it a try.